In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use emojis on Skype. Whether you're looking to add a little flair to your messages or simply express yourself more vividly, using emojis is a fantastic way to do so. And the good news, it's incredibly easy to get started. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to head over to the Skype website. There you will find the option to open Skype in browser. Click on it. Depending on whether you're already signed in or not, Skype might prompt you to log in with your account details. So go ahead and sign in if required. It's the first step to unlocking a vibrant world of emojis. Once you're in, navigate to the chat section. This is where all your conversations are housed. It's easy to find and is typically located on the left side of your browser window. But layouts can vary slightly depending on updates and versions. Still, chats is pretty prominent, so you won't miss it. Now that you're looking at your list of chats, click on the conversation where you want to use an emoji. Maybe it's a good friend you're catching up with, or perhaps a colleague you're discussing work with. Whichever chat it is, open it up. We're getting close to the fun part. Here's where the magic happens. At the bottom part of your chat window, you'll notice a small, smiling emoji icon. Couldn't be easier to spot, right? This little button is your gateway to expressing yourself in fun and colourful ways. Click on the emoji icon and voila, you'll be presented with a wide array of emojis to choose from. Now take a moment to explore your options. Skype offers a plethora of emojis, ranging from the classic smiley faces to more unique options that can convey everything from celebration to sympathy, humour to love. Feel free to scroll through, see what catches your eye, and click on any emoji to instantly add it to your message. Adding emojis to your Skype messages is that easy, and while it seems straightforward, don't underestimate the power of an appropriately used emoji. It can turn a simple message into something memorable, convey emotions words can't capture, and let's be honest, make chatting a whole lot more fun. So go ahead, start exploring and using emojis in your Skype chats, add a bit of personality to your messages, and watch as your conversations become more engaging and expressive. And there you have it. That's how you use emojis on Skype, step by step. Keep experimenting with different emojis to fully express what you're feeling or to add that extra bit of flair to your messages. Remember, it's all about enhancing communication and making your chats more enjoyable. Thank you for watching and happy chatting.